Yeah, there it's going. It looks like it's moving day. Back into the outside tree. I can't tell exactly which hive they're coming from. Looks like they're coming from up the valley. But anyway, lots of bees in the air. Yeah, they're coming from up the valley. Patti, can you check that other hive and see if they're coming out of it? The hive up behind me? This is kind of what I was wanting this natural beekeeping to be all about. Is if you had a spot for them to go. Yeah, my dog's going behind me here. He does not like these bees. Anyway, if you had a spot for them to go, then even though they swarmed, you'd still have them around. And that's kind of a good thing, I'm thinking. But, yeah, they're starting to... I'm actually out of the flight pattern here. I'm off to the side. I'm kind of southeast of. Well, you can kind of see the shadows of where the sun is this morning, and it's about 10 after 1. Patti says she doesn't think they're coming from the hive up above at the other end of the garden. So that means that these guys would be a new bunch, maybe. So, which is a good thing. And it's kind of thinning out. Okay. It's kind of thinning out here a little bit. They've been sniffing around this tree for, probably a week, anytime the weather's good. It is actually full of comb from last year's bunch that moved in. But last year's bunch did not put in any honey that I knew of, that I could see up in the upper side up there. So, anyway, this is kind of a neat thing. I was out in the garden burning the weeds, and Patti started hollering at me, and she said, "You got bees at the house." Well, shit, the house is still another 100 feet away, but actually we have bees at the bee house. Now I'm going to swing around here, and there's one more tree, actually last year's tree that I moved, that they could go have an option to go into. And it is right up there. You just barely see it. It's kind of in the shadows. Up there. But it actually had bees and honey in it last year, and they were there for a full year. And then they moved out, come back in about 3 weeks, got the honey, and went somewhere else. Bees do their own thing, regardless of what we want to do with them, kind of. So I will close for now and let them kind of calm down, and then I'll update with a picture later on when they're all in the hive.
Really? It'll grow?
It'll go clear to the end, yeah. Darcy has some out there that's 30 or 40 feet long.
Wow.
Yeah, she stopped checking.
Doesn't happen to be any there right now,
No,
darn
it's
it.
too early for them.
Yeah. But what they do, they line up right around the edge of this because they don't like deep water, you know, and there's just a little bit drop. They like that.
Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. Look at these flowers. Is that a wallflower right there in the middle? Oh, Ceanothus?
Yeah.
Oh, that's blooming early.
Yeah. And this one here, they're...
Oh, I know. They get all over those things.
Yeah, they're doing well.
We have them in abandoned.
Well, now there's a bee on that one right there. See?
Yeah.
He's a happy one.
Got pollen on his legs.
Anyway, in the afternoons they'll line up on that concrete there in that water and get their drink.
Well, that's nice to have some running water, and it's aerated too, so it's nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's coming out of that pitcher pump.